The majority of buildings that you enter on any given day contain a fire sprinkler system, which helps stop fires and can save lives. These systems contain multiple components, and to understand it, you first must start at the beginning. Many towns have a water reservoir, also known as water towers, which holds potable water. Part of this water is used for household needs, such as drinking or taking a shower. The other half is used for sprinkler systems in the event of a fire. In order for the water to reach a building, it travels underground in a series of pipes. Pipes in the building allow the water to travel to different areas and floors. When a sprinkler head is exposed to enough heat from a fire, water is released. What keeps this water waiting in the pipes, you might ask? A backflow preventer located where the sprinkler system separates from the main water line accomplishes this, and also keeps dirty water from flowing back into the main system. In order for the water to be released at a constant pressure, a fire pump is used. This is connected to the fire sprinkler system pipes where the water waits. A fire pump also helps the water to travel upwards against gravity to other floors in a large building. There are two different kinds of fire pumps, the first being electric and the second being diesel. How is the pressure maintained when fighting a large fire? A Siamese connection plays this important role. It allows hoses to be plugged in by firefighters to use their fire trucks to help boost the water pressure when fighting a fire. Some fire trucks are basically a fire pump on wheels and add extra water pressure into the fire sprinkler system. Most often you can find a Siamese connection on a large building, and you have probably seen one before and never realized what its purpose is. You may be wondering why there are many different kinds of fire sprinkler heads. The reason for this is that there are different heads for different kinds of rooms. There are three main kinds. The first is a pendant head, which points downward from the ceiling. This can be found in places where ductwork is hidden, such as classrooms or offices. The second is the upright head. This sits upwards on top of the pipes in places where the ductwork is exposed, like a warehouse. The third is a dry pendant, which is normally filled with air instead of water. These sprinkler heads can be found in places that get very cold, where the water is unable to stay in the pipes in case it freezes, such as in parking garages or large freezers. On some types of fire sprinkler heads, there is a color-coded glass bulb that breaks when heated, allowing water from the sprinkler system to be released. The colors signify activation temperature at which the bulbs break. Different rooms may have different activation temperatures according to their normal environmental conditions. For example, a warehouse that is kept cool may activate at a much lower temperature than a kitchen, where the regular operating temperatures run much warmer. The fire sprinkler system is an important part of preventing the spread of fires. Hopefully now you understand some of the essential components of this system and how they work together to keep the whole system running to protect lives and property from fire.